Hello viewers, what's up guys? How are you all doing? This is a very important read on your demand definitely, which is you versus them. People wanted to know, their side story, your side story and everything. So we are here with it. First of all, I'm gonna start here by spreading the cards for your part, and then I'm gonna go with their card as well. Universe, please do guide for the viewers, for the watchers, as the general readers, that what is their card, and then please help me to guide about their partner's card. First, let me go with the you card, guys. So let's check what is the universe guiding and start complimenting, and they're telling to you people. What else? What do we have as our viewers card? Okay. Wait a minute. Okay, just wait. I've got this particular card, important cards. I'm gonna keep it here. We have, okay, the second one is this one. We have the temperance over here. We have the seven of swords. We got one more card for you. That is the three of swords. Your partner side, please. Okay, this one's happening. Your partner, please universe do guide for their partner zone. Okay, what do we have for their partner side? What do we have for their partner side? Universe, please do guide and tell us about their partner side. What's happening? What's up? Okay, we have the nine of swords. Okay, I'll check out the bottom of the deck card, which is important. Okay, I'm gonna keep this bottom of the deck card over here in front of you people. Oh my god, dear viewers, first of all, let me read your side first, and it is really strongly telling that you are patient, extremely. I feel you people getting too much patient about your own realizations and everything. You are not at all in this particular thing where you will sit silently. I think there are situations coming up, my lovely people, where you people are really on a fighting zone. The fighting impacts are strongly over here. It is keeping an eye, guys. People are keeping an eye on you, on your work, especially my lovely people. And heartbreak, my god, I think pain is what is I can see here. Pain, my god, the kind of pain you and your partner, both of you are having, it's really tougher to say, guys. This is a strong karmic relation and a karmic connection, I can tell you. Representing this card, I can strongly tell you that this is a karmic connection, huge karmic connection. This person might give you a lot of pain. This person might get into a lot of pain. It is not that only you are achieving that pain. This individual also has a lot of pain inside their heart for you, you know. My god, looking at the card, I can just see and imagine over here what's happening. Universe is guiding me to say this thing to you, and I need to speak out louder that, guys, third party situation is majorly happening, and maybe it's you or your partner, someone who is strongly giving, no, this is very deep. This is really going deep. I think this is going to impact you mentally, guys, torture you mentally so harder that you won't imagine this kind of a heartbreak happening with you. This individual has buried themselves, guys. They are in a situation where they cannot sleep properly. This connection has ruined everything. Literally every inch of it has been ruined. My dear people, I think the universe is crying looking at you. And no, pain, the kind of pain this particular reading has, I can't express. The kind of pain you are having, the kind of pain your person is having. You both are in a situation where it's so critical for you people to genuinely act nicer, you know. My god, I have to also say this thing, that the universe is testing you, harder testing you, guys. You really need not to compromise, because I think the sacrificial things might lead you to losing this person, guys, and I don't want it. Just don't want it. Universe is definitely telling that the pain needs to be suffered. Until and unless you suffer the pain, you won't be able to reach to a situation where you will find each other into a single room, you know, single bed, sharing the bed, sharing the love you people wanted to always. You know, I have to say here that you both are going to be supporter of each other. You strongly are going to be supporter of each other. The future is so magical. The future is so immense, so truthful. It's just not that you are in a pain, guys. This individual is also in the pain, harder pain. My god, my dear, I have to say you that you need to seek some kind of approvals from the universe, guidance from the universe. You see, the kind of love you both are going to share, the intimate love is the ultimate thing, is what I can say and reveal. Simply. Yes, what else do we have after this card? Oh my god, see, you have the Ace of Cups, guys. Ace of Cups. You're gonna get married to this individual only. After a lot of pain, lot of things, I have to say here that marriage, strong marriage. This marriage is gonna be something where you and your partner are gonna devote time to themselves, to each other, definitely, is what I can feel here. And I genuinely have to say here that the you're gonna cross the limits with this individual. Cross the limits. Strong crossing of the limits is seen over here, guys. You're so much into each other that you want that vibe matching, that smell of the body, and everything is so well established over here that you people are seeking this amount of love. Getting into this love before you and your partner both have to sacrifice a lot. I can see this thing. But this pain, as soon as it gets over, guys, you and your partner is gonna be happy. Sharing the cup of love together. Living in the same bed, sharing the same room. Sharing that kind of cozy moments you always have, manifested, thought, and dreamt of. So close relation is being seen over here in the future that you don't know, but right now you just can't see a bit of it. You feel that no, this relation won't exist, this relation won't continue, this relation would end. It's not like that. Universe wants you people to fight for the love, fight for this one person you have always been truthful and loyal to. So beautiful, guys. I have to say here that it is just like after a dark night you're gonna have a shiny day. It's coming up, strongly coming up. This is what the universe is telling me to speak to you. It's really important message, guys. You need to understand this. This is what I'm really having for you people. I hope it's resonating. I hope that you're gonna be happy hearing to this thing, and you're never gonna leave the bond you people are having with each other. Guys, do subscribe, share it as well with the friends, family members, with your partner especially. Thank you.